In terms of the damaging wind outlook, that is the biggest threat overall. We've got millions of people included within that hatched area, the dash lines, and that means for you, if you're in here, there's a higher threat of increased storm intensity of significant severe levels. We're talking about hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour.
The wind began to rock the grass with threatening tunes and low. He flung a menace at the earth, a menace at the sky. The leaves unhooked themselves from trees and started all abroad. The dust did scoop itself like hands and throw away the road. The wagons quickened on the streets. The thunder hurried slow. The lightning showed a yellow beak, and then a livid claw. The birds put up the bars to nests. The cattle fled to barns. There came one drop of giant rain, and then, as if the hands that held the dams had parted whole, the waters wrecked the sky.